इवनिंग गुड इवनिंग गुड इवनिंग गुड इवनिंग गुड इवनिंग। नमस्कार है आपका अगले एपिसोड में ऑफ अमेंडमेंट्स ऑफ कंपनी लॉ फॉर दिसंबर 2021 अटेम्प्ट के लिए, राइट। और हम लोग इसमें ऑब्वियसली इन दिस सेशन वी आर ऑल्सो नॉट सेशन बट सीरीज विल ऑल्सो बी कवरिंग आरटीपी रिविजन टेस्ट पेपर्स, राइट एवरीबॉडी। झकास, गुड इवनिंग ऑल ऑफ यू, गुड इवनिंग। चलो जादव नमस्कार, दीक्षा नमस्कार, रोहित, अभिषेक गुड इवनिंग गाइस, सूरज गुड इवनिंग, चिरंतन गुड इवनिंग। चलो जो लोग आ रहे हैं नहीं आ रहे सबको बता दो, लेक्चर स्टार्टेड। कमान 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 कमान। मैंने कौन से लेक्चर में, मैंने कौन से ग्रुप में मुझको डाला था, मुझको याद भी नहीं आ रहा है। या अपने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप ये नहीं है क्या, पुष्कर और क्या नाम इसका, अनुराग वगैरह, उनको भी बोल दो व्हाट्सएप के ग्रुप्स में भेजने के लिए, उनके इंटर के ग्रुप्स में। ऑलराइट एवरीबॉडी, लेट्स गो अहेड एवरीबॉडी, लेट्स गो लेट्स गो लेट्स गो लेट्स गो। रेडी? सब लोग आ गए हो? सबसे पहले बच्चों वीडियो को लाइक कर दो। आई थिंक पहले से लाइक करके रखा तुम लोगों ने। आगे बढ़े तो बहुत सारे अमेंडमेंट्स है एवरीबॉडी, बहुत सारे अमेंडमेंट्स है। तो MJD 7 वॉज अ वेरी गुड, नॉट वेरी गुड बट इंपॉर्टेंट अमेंडमेंट फॉर चैप्टर 7 ऑल्सो। ओके, सेक्शन 92 एनुअल रिटर्न में प्लीज कीप दैट इन माइंड। ओके, हाँ मैं बोला फिर वरना तुम बोलोगे यार रोज़ शर्ट चेंज करते हो, सिर्फ शर्ट ही पहनते हो, इसलिए। गुड इवनिंग निखिल, गुड इवनिंग, कैसे हो कैसे हो? हज़ारे गुड इवनिंग। तुम 8:30 निकल जाओगे ना हज़ारे, ठीक है, आधे घंटे के मेहमान हो तुम। लेट्स गो एवरीबॉडी। जतिन गुड इवनिंग, गुड इवनिंग पलक, कैसी हो? टाइम पास चल रहा है, ग्रुप 2 सीरीज। फाद भाई लॉ में 3 चैप्टर हुए हैं। फास्ट ट्रैक बैच रहेगा वो अन अकेडमी का, देख लो, दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन ज्वाइन मेरे भाई। पर चैप्टर नंबर 7 जरूर करना। 5, 6 और 8 बहुत छोटे हैं ना, कर लो ना उसको 5, 6 और 8, तो तुमको लगेगा कि हाँ भाई और 3 चैप्टर हो गए मेरे। डिपॉजिट चार्ज और डिविडेंड कर लो। हार्डली 2 दिन के चैप्टर है वो, मतलब अगर तुम अच्छे से करोगे तो। कल नहीं है अभिषेक, आई एम नॉट। पुष्कर जस्ट सेंड इट इन योर आवर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स ऑल्सो, इंटर वाला प्लीज सेंड इट देयर, सक्सेस मंत्रा वाला। नहीं भाई ब्लैक से मुझको भी आई एम बोर्ड यार, प्लीज नो ब्लैक। आई थिंक आई वॉज वेयरिंग वाइट इन अदर क्लासेस टुडे, आई डोंट नो, ब्राउन मुंडे हूँ। चलो यार चालू करें क्या अपन? लेट्स स्टार्ट एवरीबॉडी। फहद भाई चैप्टर 5, 6 और 8 कर लो पहले, तो और 3 चैप्टर अपने आप इजीली हो जाएंगे, मतलब बहुत कम टाइम में हो जाएंगे। या लेट्स गो एवरीबॉडी। जिनको अमेंडमेंट करना है मतलब ध्यान दो, बाकी के लोग टाइम पास करो, कमेंट में कोई दिक्कत नहीं मुझको। ऑलराइट, चैप्टर 8 पे जाए या? ऑलराइट, सच नाइस थिंग, मतलब सब लोग यहाँ पे मौजूद है, यहाँ पे अच्छा है, मतलब अच्छा लग रहा है मुझको, सब लोग एक साथ यहाँ पे आ गए। लेट्स गो एवरीबॉडी, हम लोग चैप्टर नंबर 8 पे हैं। ओके एवरीबॉडी, ओके रेडी? जतिन अग्रवाल आ गया? जतिन दंग नहीं आया ना? दंग ने छोड़ दिया क्या? हाँ आदित्य, मैं क्या सलमान खान हूँ यहाँ पे? फहद भाई करना पड़ता थोड़ा थोड़ा सा पापी पेट के लिए। सेक्शन 124 यूपीए अनपेड डिविडेंड अकाउंट। 123 तुम्हारा बच्चों डिक्लेरेशन पेमेंट और डिविडेंड है। 124 अनपेड डिविडेंड अकाउंट, यस एवरीबॉडी, बराबर? सबसेक्शन 7 ने क्या कहा? शाल बी सब्सिट्यूटेड। बच्चों यहाँ पर भी पेनल्टी चेंज हुई है, हियर ऑल्सो द पेनल्टी हैज चेंज्ड, राइट एवरीबॉडी? अरे वेयर इज हेमा? हेमा फ्रॉम चेन्नई, आर यू देयर और नो? पेज नंबर 8.17 इज इट? अच्छा, टू मच अहेड, हाँ रूल 3 वगैरह ना यहाँ पे। 8.17 punishment for contravention section 124. Ready everybody? If a company fails to comply with any of the requirements of this section, such company shall be liable penalty of कितना? 1 लाख। कंपनी के ऊपर बच्चों 1 लाख। ये मिनिमम मैक्सिमम हट गया है। 5 लाख से लेके 25 लैक्स डायरेक्टली 1 लाख। हाई डायरेक्टली बच्चों 1 लाख। ओके, बट एक कंपनी के ऊपर है, इफ अ कंपनी फेल्स, ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम। ठीक है, विल सी दैट। एंड कंटिन्यूइंग फेलियर तो 500 पर डे। एंड कंटिन्यूइंग फेलियर रहा बच्चों, देन व्हाट, ₹500 पर डे। यस, नहीं, वी आर ऑन करेक्ट ट्रैक, डोंट वरी, वी आर ऑन करेक्ट ट्रैक। कंटिन्यूइंग ₹500 पर डे। ओके एवरीबॉडी, आफ्टर द फर्स्ट ड्यूरिंग विच सच फेलियर कंटिन्यू, दैट मीन्स मतलब तुम्हारा डिफॉल्ट चालू हो गया, उसके आगे ₹500 पर डे। आई नो, आई नो, हाँ यार दीक्षा, करेक्ट। बट सब्जेक्ट टू कितना, मैक्सिमम 10 लैक्स। ओके, 1 लाख तो भर लगेगा ही लगेगा, और अगर कंटिन्यूइंग रहा तो 500 पर डे, और उसका लिमिट कितना है, मैक्स, सब्जेक्ट टू व्हाट, ₹10 लैक्स। ये बच्चों हुआ कंपनी के ऊपर, सही बात है एवरीबॉडी, ओके क्लियर? आई राइट डाउन अगेन, डोंट वरी। एंड ओआईडी के ऊपर, ऑफिसर इन डिफॉल्ट, ओआईडी के ऊपर, तेरे को असिस्टेंट ने बोल दिया देख पलक ने, ऑफिसर इन डिफॉल्ट कितना, 25,000, और अगर कंटिन्यूइंग रहा, सो ये तो तुम्हारा वन टाइम 25,000 लगने ही वाला है। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, कंटिन्यूइंग इज हाउ मच बच्चों, मिनिमम एंड मैक्सिमम, विल चेक दैट। ₹100 फॉर ईच डे, है ना, ₹100 फॉर वन ईच डे। पर सब्जेक्ट टू कितना बच्चों, मैक्सिमम, टेल मी, 2 लाख रुपीस। ठीक है, ये गया तुम्हारा सब कुछ, ये मिनिमम मैक्सिमम वाले कंसेप्ट चले गए। स्टैंडर्ड एक तो तुमको पेनल्टी लगेगा, अगर लगेगा 1 लाख ऑन कंपनी, ये बच्चों किसके ऊपर है, ये कंपनी का है, लिख लो। ओके, और कंट्रींग में मिनिमम 500 पर डे, मैक्सिमम 10 लाख, दिस इज ऑन कंपनी। ऑफिसर इन डिफॉल्ट, मिनिमम मैक्सिमम 25,000, यस, वो तो लगना ही लगना है। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, कंटिन्यूइंग मिनिमम ₹100 पर डे, मैक्सिमम 2 लाख रुपीज। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस। नहीं पूछ कर, टुमारो आई नो, आई वोंट टेक लेक्चर, नो। क्लियर टिल ऑल ऑफ यू गॉट इट टिल योर, समझे कि नहीं समझे? या सो बेसिकली सेक्शन 124 में चेंज हुआ है इन द पेनल्टीज। ऑलराइट एवरीबॉडी, क्लियर? लेट्स गो अहेड एवरीबॉडी। चैप्टर 10 कर ले पहले, लाइक वी सेड। चैप्टर 10 कर लिया तो शायद 9 का आधा आज रहेगा, और आधा वी कैन डू इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर। चैप्टर 10 में भी क्या मतलब, ठीक है, हो जाएगा आज शायद चैप्टर 10। लेट्स डू चैप्टर 10 टुडे बच्चों। या क्या करें, पेनल्टीज का डर लगता है ना बहुत लोगों को, इसलिए। चलो सो चैप्टर 8 डन, उतना ही अमेंडमेंट है सेक्शन 124, दैट्स इट। ओके एवरीबॉडी, चलो हम जाते बच्चों चैप्टर नंबर 10 में, ऑडिट। ऑडिट फॉलोइंग सेक्शंस 140 में तुम्हारा सबसेक्शन 3 फॉर द वर्ड्स 5 लाख, 5 लाख को बच्चों हो गया 2 लाख, 5 लाख का बच्चों हो गया तुम्हारा 2 लाख। 8 में एक ही तुम्हारा था, यस, बोलो हजार जल्दी बोलो। 140 बच्चों, 139 इज योर अपॉइंटमेंट, यस एवरीबॉडी, है ना, स्टैट्यूटरी ऑडिटर एवरीबॉडी। 140 निकलना, रिमूवल में तुम्हारा सबसेक्शन 3 पेज 10.19 पे. ओके योर रेडी एवरीबॉडी. हेलो अक्षय कावड़े. अक्षय आपला अक्षय ना पीसीएमसी वही है ना वो. हाँ करेक्ट. यस. कसा है बाळ अपना आर्टिकलशिप चल रहा है तुम्हारा. यस आदित्य ऑब्वियसली करेक्ट. हज़ार है मतलब. यस ऑब्वियसली कंपनी लॉ में चेंज हो रहा है तो जहाँ जहाँ तुम्हारा इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा ऑन कंपनी ऑडिट ऑब्वियसली होगा. ऑब्वियसली. हाउ आर यू अक्षय. 140 का बच्चों भाई इसने निकाला था ग्रुप 1. एक याद रखना कैसे हालत में क्या निकाला था. आई कैन नॉट टेल यू राइट नाउ. और आई थिंक शायद मैंने क्लास में बताया रहेगा कभी ना कभी. कोविड में उसने लास्ट ईयर एक ग्रुप निकाला है. आई होप तुमने अभी ग्रुप 2 शायद अभी दिया ना अक्षय. तो बी लाइक अक्षय ऐसा बोलूंगा. अब इतना ही बोलूंगा पर ओके. 140 में बच्चों हम लोग जा रहे हैं सबसेक्शन 3. यहाँ पे 2 और 3 बच्चों. एवरीवन रेडी. एवरीबॉडी आ जाओ. पेनल्टी फॉर कॉन्ट्रावेंशन इफ द ऑडिटर डज नॉट कंप्लाई. कितना था बच्चों. 50,000 था ना मिनिमम. बट सब्जेक्ट टू मैक्सिमम 5 लाख. 5 लाख का बच्चों अभी हो गया 2 लाख. दीक्षा. हेलो हेमा यू केम लेट टुडे. गुड इवनिंग. नो प्रॉब्लम अक्षय दैट्स फाइन रे दैट्स फाइन. बट कीप इट अप ओके अक्षय. डू वेल. कुछ रहेगा तो कॉल करना. सो दैट 5 lakhs इज नाउ कन्वर्टेड इनटू 2 lakhs. राइट एवरीबॉडी. पेज व्हाट 10.19 of ICS study material. All right, all of you done. Then 143. Oh my goodness. Hema, see these guys are troubling you, no? है ना Hema? Yeah. 143. Come to Telegram channel Hema. You there or not on Telegram? Page 10.37. अरे बाप रे, too much ahead. All the links are given in this video's description. Yes. 10.37. 143.15. All right. If any auditor, cost auditor, etc. If any auditor, cost auditor, etc. Where is it? Yeah, this one. Then what are they saying? Does not comply with 143.12. Then, in case of Acha, there were penalties. He shall be liable less at least 1 lakh and maximum 25 lakhs. Yes or no? Then how much? Hema, you're not speaking. That is not good now. In case of listed company, direct penalty of 5 lakhs. Okay, everybody? Instead of, in case of what, bachcho? Listed companies. Pay attention. Listed company. I'll write on here. How much penalty? 5 lakhs. And in case of any other company, obviously, or I'll just simply say unlisted company, okay? Unlisted company. Obviously, these basics are, I hope, clear, okay? Unlisted includes public, private, everything. अक्षय रात्री उशिरा कर थोडंसं 9 नंतर इज ओके. अनलिस्टेड कंपनी हाउ मच डायरेक्टली और यू कैन सी बेसिकली फाइनल 1 lakh rupees. Is it okay? So no minimum maximum. This thing is happening now. No minimum maximum things, okay? That limits you don't have to remember now. Directly listed company straightforward 5 lakh rupees and on unlisted companies straightforward 1 lakh rupees. Okay everybody? Clear? Page 10.37 point number 5. Can you see that? It has been changed. Alright Elio? Fine will be so and so. Alright, all of you got it, Elio? So let's go ahead everybody. Let's go ahead. Section 147. अरे बाप रे. Again your penalties. It's a very big section 147 है ना. On the company auditor and all of that. Page 10.44. All right, no issues. Let's go. 10.44. Subsection 1. Here. The company shall be liable. Again, minimum 25,000, maximum 5 lakhs. What are they saying? On the officer. Okay. Imprisonment. Directly gone. It shall be omitted. It shall be omitted, बच्चों. Pay attention. 10.44. Point number 2. Imprisonment is gone. Okay. So both word will also be gone. Okay, everybody. है ना? Both will be gone. नहीं निखिल, अब तक नहीं भाई. No. I was waiting for this only. Now I can update properly. (147)(2) Section 143 shall be omitted. Okay. Over here, bachcho. Everybody. Over here, 143 is gone. So penalty of an auditor if an auditor contravenes any of this provision of section 139, 144. Okay. So 143 is removed. Okay, bachcho, removed. Shall be omitted. All right, everybody. Yeah. Done. So here there is a change and imprisonment is gone. All right, on officer in default. Clear? Then what do we have here? Audit and auditors rule amendment in rules rule 11. Hey Bhagwan, 10.33. I think this is again this is removed now, gone, no? 10.33. Rule 11. Contents of your auditor's report, है ना? Shall include views and comments in that. Are you there, everybody? 10.33. Alright. Shall be omitted. Clause number D shall be omitted. Check here. They have not given everything properly. But which is that one? Clause number D is this. Point number 4 is gone. About that black note. Not black note, black money. Demonetization, I mean, sorry. This point is gone. Okay, everybody? Point number 4 is gone. Fine is still the same, correct? So society में push कर. Done, everybody? अरे बाप रे. And after clause D, the following clauses shall be inserted. Bhagwan. These are content of your audit report. Rule 11. Keep in mind. Okay, what all you already had. This is something like you'll have to do from audit only, company audit. Litigations on financial positions that impact. Then what? Accounting standards followed or not. Derivative contracts, check that. Delay in transferring amounts to IPF, etc. Yes or no? Whether any matters is answered in negative, reasons thereof. All these things. Along with that, now you have one more thing. Check. This you will have to read and go through. I'll quickly go through, bachcho. Whether the management has represented that to the best of his knowledge and belief, other than as disclosed in the notes of accounts. Everybody, this is nowhere to we cannot write down this. We cannot write down. Just star mark this in your RTB itself. Okay. This should be part of your audit, okay, syllabus. So where I think company audit will do, keep that in mind. Now, what is we can say disclosure about? No funds have been advanced or loaned or invested to or any in any other person or entities including foreign entities with the understanding whether recorded in writing or otherwise. क्या understanding है बच्चों? That intermediary shall whether directly or indirectly lend or invest in other persons or entities for someone else, भगवान. Whether the management has represented to the best of his knowledge, क्या चाहिए उनको? No funds have been received. So point number 1 is sent, advance or loan, then received from any person or entities including foreign entities with the understanding that कि तुम किसी और को दोगे, है ना, ultimate beneficiaries, or provide any guarantee, security, etc. Based on such audit procedures that the auditor has considered reasonable and appropriate in circumstances, nothing has come to his notice. उसको लिखना पड़ेगा. He should write down in his audit report that caused him to believe that under subclauses 1 and 2 contain any material misstatement. So auditor has to specifically look at this point 1 and 2, money given and money received. Then point number F, clause F, whether dividend declared or paid during the year for the company is in compliance with section 123. Okay, time pass. Whether the company has used such accounting software for maintaining books of accounts which has a feature of recording audit trail, that is edit log facility, and the same has been operated throughout the year for all transactions recorded in the software, and the audit trail feature has not been tampered with, and the audit trail has been preserved by the company as per statutory requirements for record retention. So again, books of accounts, maintenance in software, that audit trail should be available. Clear? RTP का पेज नंबर 28, 27 and 28. Okay? Done everybody till here? तो तुम्हारे ऑडिट में तुम्हारा ये पॉइंट जाएगा कि ऑडिट में क्या क्या यू हैव टू चेक. क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? दिस अमेंडमेंट इज इन कंटिन्यूएशन विद द अबव स्टेटमेंट, विद द अबव अमेंडमेंट. क्या बोला इन्होंने? व्हाट हैव दे सेड? अगेन रूल 11 क्लॉज जी. अच्छा, रूल 11 क्लॉज जी, क्लॉज जी, क्लॉज जी, जी 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 जी, दिस वन, that accounting software one. Okay everybody, this one we are discussing. What are they saying about that? For the words whether the company, the words, figures and letters whether the company in respect of financial years commencing on or after 1st April 22. So basically this point has to be checked for the financial year 22 onwards. You can expect a question in audit, maybe in audit, but I am little bit concerned about first 2 points because that you have to understand properly. That money received and money sent, this point. Okay, do these two properly. Okay, audit trail as it is unnecessary. 123 is time pass. Unnecessary means it is applicable from next year. What? Audit trail with effective from, I'm writing here bachcho, write down here also if at all you want, with effect from FY, obviously starting from 1st April 22 onwards. Clear everybody? So 22 23 onwards you can expect, I mean it will be applicable. Yes, but from audit report point of view, first 2 clauses, just do that properly. Yeah, clear? I am not expecting this in Companies Act. I mean in company law paper I am not expecting. In audit it is possible. Are Hema, you are there or no? Are what done? Chapter number 10 done bachcho. Is it okay? So chapter 10 penalty is a little bit different, and reporting rule 11, keep that in mind. All right, चलेगा? Let's go ahead बच्चों. Accounts of companies. Let's go ahead. Income tax, there are no amendments for November. Whatever you learned, there's I think hardly one amendment about that provident fund PF, है ना? GST amendments I think we have already covered पुष्कर. चलो आगे बढ़े हम लोग. हेमा is not there. हेमा, are you not there? अच्छा डायरेक्ट ऐसा 140 देखना है. 140 ऑफ व्हाट? आईसीएस स्टडी मटेरियल देखना था कि अमेंडमेंट देखना था तुमको? हाँ जरा जाओ नो प्रॉब्लम. आई होप वीडियो को तो लाइक कर दिया. व्हाट यू वांट टू सी एग्जैक्टली, टेल मी क्विकली. 140 फ्रॉम आईसीएस स्टडी मटेरियल या आरटीपी? आरटीपी में था क्या कुछ 140? ये वाला 2 लाख, 5 लाख का 2 लाख हो चुका है. 5 लाख का 2 लाख हो चुका है इन सेक्शन 140. यू टू but that I covered, Nikhil, in my regular lectures. Done? Jado? मुझे वही लगा, या मुझे वही लगा. Yeah, you're there, no, Hema? Yeah. Keep on chatting, no, then. Are you only one from your state? Or did you share the video or not with your friends, huh? Sharing is caring, है कि नहीं बच्चों? Right, everybody? What happened to the charger? अरे बाप रे, आज का थंबनेल जबरदस्त है. धन्यवाद. Let's go ahead, everybody. Yeah, okay. Rule 11 done. I hope this is the covered 10.33 and 10.34. And over here, matlab, then I should write down check additions in RTP I'll say. है ना? ठीक है? Rule 11. Section 140 you said, no? Page 10.19. So instead of maximum 5 lakhs, it is now maximum 2 lakh rupees. Done, everybody? Pushkar, you're overthinking now, है ना? Share tea, coffee, है ना? Other things to eat. Where are we? Chapter number 9, everybody, okay? Accounts of companies. Ready? जितना होगा उतना आज. Whatever is possible we'll do today. Okay, till 9 o'clock. Next we'll cover on Monday. है ना? Everybody? Happy Onam to all of you, those who are in South or you celebrate Onam basically. Happy Onam. और रक्षाबंधन की शुभकामनाएं जो कल करेंगे. लेट्स गो एवरीबॉडी. और कुछ भी रहेगा तो उसके लिए भी शुभकामनाएं. ठीक है, चलो. no 128. अर्र पेनल्टीज. अरे भगवान. Imprisonment again omitted. 128. Books of accounts. Keep in mind, favorite question. Who is responsible to maintain books of account is a classic favorite question. Keep that in mind. डियर, खराब सब होते हैं, बस बता तो कोई नहीं, ऐसी वाली बात है ना. तुम भी उतनी ही खराब हो, बस छुपाने में अच्छी हो तुम. या 128.6. 128.6. They're talking of penalty for contravention, na? Yes, this one. And this is an important, this is a very important question, na? Very, very important. Who is responsible? Keep that in mind. Chalo. So, over here, page 9.7. Punishable with imprisonment for a term which makes into 1 year, gone. Okay? Gone. So, even or both also gone. Okay? Yes, still here, everybody? 128. Keep that in mind. Page 9.7. Happy Onam. 134. आगे बढ़े. Board report, financial statements, etc. 134. भगवान. Page 9.30. सबको चांस मिलेगा अभी. सबको चांस मिलेगा अभी. All right, change the table. भगवान, डायरेक्ट change the table. They have done. No problem. 134. चलो ready. 134.8. Page 9.30. Everybody. Okay, everybody. All of you. The following shall be substituted. Change हुआ है बच्चों. Change. There is a change. What is the change? I don't do anything. Okay, Rani, I didn't do anything. If a company is in default in complying with provisions of this section 134(8), by the way, rule 11 auditor's report, we saw lots of changes, isn't it? क्या क्या भर के रखा है? Too many things now. Auditor's report है ना? The company shall be liable कितना? कंपनी के ऊपर बच्चों, कंपनी 3 lakh rupees directly, straightforward. Pay attention. Pay attention. Not less than. This is completely gone now. Straightforward. How much बच्चों? Straightforward 3 lakhs. Straightforward rupees 3 lakhs. Okay, everybody. Again, minimum, maximum gone. Yeah. And OID. And every officer who is in default, कितना? Penalty 50,000 rupees. Imprisonment also gone. Okay. Fine directly बच्चों, directly 50,000. Okay. Alright, tell you everybody. Minimum, maximum gone. बहुत जगह से चला गया वो है ना. Too many things. 9.30 done everybody. 134(8), keep that in mind. चलो 137 is what your copies of audited FS to be given to members. एंड फाइलिंग भी है ना तुम्हारा ROC के साथ 138 में है ना. चलो लेट्स चेक दैट. Error. These guys, seriously. Bhagwan, nobody should read your comments, है ना, live chat. Happy Onam Dodo. Happy Onam to all of you. Chalo. Subsection 3. I did not read that. Seriously, I did not read that. Page क्या 9.51. आगे बढ़े. Okay, 137. यही वाला रहेगा तुम्हारा फिर से पेनल्टी वाला 137(3). 50,000. Officer is by default 50,000. Imprisonment gone. Okay. Done, no? Yeah. Check no on the right hand side. I just now checked. 50,000 for the officer. But no imprisonment. Alright. It is completely substituted. 137(3) now. Page 9.51. Ready everybody? Hai Bhagwan. Shall be substituted. Okay. For the word 1 lakh rupees, pay attention. For the word 1 lakh, 10,000 shall be substituted. Okay. Clause A is now... Okay. Clause A will be very big. Company shall be liable 1,000 for every day. And maximum 10 lakhs. They have made changes. For the words 1,000 rupees for every day during which the failure continues, but which shall not be more than 10 lakhs. Okay, now this is gone. 10,000 is by default now. Pay attention, everybody. Pay attention. By default, how much now? 10,000 on the company. Okay, everybody? On the company. And if it is continuing, and in case of continuing, so 10,000 is by default. And if it is continuing in nature, how much, bachcho, tell me? Further penalty of 100 per day. Minimum 100 per day. But maximum how much? Total 2 lakhs. Write down this. This is for clause A only, right now. So by default how much? Well, one single standard figure 10,000, isn't it? Okay. For continuing failure 100 per day, but that cannot exceed 2 lakh rupees. 2 lakh. 2 lakh. How much बच्चों? 2 lakh मिलेंगे. 2 lakh. Ready all of you? Done? हो गया? Then clause B, subsection 3 clause B बच्चों, yum D and all of that, yum D. For the word 1 lakh, 10,000 will be replaced. Okay everybody. In clause B, किधर है? It will not be less than. It should. What will you write over here, बच्चों? 10,000. Okay. And for the word 5 lakhs, where is the upper limit? Yeah. 50,000. Make changes everybody. Drastic reduction in fees. Sorry, in fines. Page, where are we? 9.51. Hema, Shushma, Jaya और Rekha. Where is Hema? Others? Yes. It is always in further they have used the word, okay? With a further penalty. Keep check over here. They use the word what? And, by the way. And. That means extra. With a further penalty. That's why I said wherever they had minimum, maximum, they have brought it down to very low level. And then they have put what? Continuing failure. But continuing failure also now has what? Upper limit. Clear? How you got to know about our channel, Hema? Where did you find it or how did you find it? Done all of you? One 3 done. Then what else we have here? 135 CSR. हे भगवान, डर लगता बहुत. It's very dangerous. 135 है ना. So we'll have to go ऊपर. Are they going to show something or not? Show 135. No problem, but we'll go now. We'll check in the notes. 135 CSR. In subsection 5. Amendment. Okay, Emma, great. I think we're talking of applicability of 135.5. Page have they given us properly? If you guys can find out, let me know. I think that 3 years, no? Where is it? 3 consecutive financial years that I think we had seen. No. We are talking of applicability. So it is in the beginning. Sorry. Average of last 3 years profit. Where is it? $135.5. 9.35. Thank you. Net profit, and then they say what? If the company is not yet completed 3 years, no? Okay. And in that we had already seen, na, if the company has not yet completed 3 years, if the company is not completed 3 years, then whichever is whatever is available, we take that, no? Even if it is in the first or second year of incorporation, and last year itself, the first year itself, you have crossed the limits, then it is applicable, no? Anyways, chodo. After the words, acha, 3 immediately preceding financial years, the words or where the company has not completed period of 3 financial years since its incorporation during such immediately preceding financial years shall be inserted. Nothing great over here, but this was, I think, clarified already. I think already somewhere, isn't it? So addition is over here. Okay, amendment is here. If what? If 3 years not yet completed, then count from year of incorporation. Okay, everybody? It is clarified basically here. You will take average of what? You will divide by 3 or you will divide by 2. That is the logic na here. We have to take, if at all we are taking last 3, so we have to divide by 3. Hai na? Division. But the company has not yet completed 3 years. Since its incorporation during such immediately preceding financial years. So if it is completed only 1 year, 1 year profit, 2 years, then divide by 2. Right, everybody? Of that you will take 2%. Right? Clear? In the second proviso, after the words reasons for not spending occurring at the end, the words bracket figures and letters, and unless the unspent amount relates to any ongoing project referred in subsection 6, transfer such unspent amount to fund specified of schedule 7 within a period of 6 months from the end of financial year shall be inserted. I think this we have already covered. नमस्कार सर, कसे आहात तुम्ही? हमारे हैंडसम और डैशिंग जॉन इब्राहिम सर आ चुके हैं. कैसे हो सर? आज भी लाइव जा रहे हो क्या आप? बेस्ट फैकल्टी इन इंडिया फॉर ESSM है कि नहीं सर? हाँ, वेरी प्राउड टू बी एसोसिएटेड विद हिम सिंस हाउ मेनी ईयर्स? अभी 3-4 साल हो चुके अपने को, है ना सर? या ESSM करना है तो जो लोग मुझको पूछ रहे थे ना, ऑप्शन याद है तुमको? सर आप ले लो कोई सीरीज़, यहाँ से स्टूडेंट्स आपको भेजता हूँ मैं, देखो आएंगे, सीरियसली आएंगे. बट यू हैव सीन इज कमेंट नाउ, सो यू कैन सी हिज क्लासेस. तो गो एंड सब्सक्राइब और लेक्चर्स देख लो. मैं जितना बताऊँ उतना कम है. और अगर तुमको मुझके ऊपर भरोसा है तो मैं आँख बंद करके बोल रहा हूँ, यू कैन ऑब्वियसली काउंट ऑन हिम. ओके, फॉर ESSM. उसके अलावा भी कोई सब्जेक्ट रहेगा तो देख लो सर, मतलब ही कैन हेल्प यू ऑब्वियसली. Yes, I think Pushkar and Anurag are already taking lectures from him, na? Yeah. Yes. Thank you for joining us, sir. Thank you for joining. On, let us go ahead, everybody. RTP कर लो सर आप भी अभी, क्या ग्रुप 2 का चल ही रहा है तो RTP भी कर लो आप. Specify the reasons for not spending the amount. Okay. Now what will they do? In the second proviso, after the word reasons for not spending, okay, occurring at the end, the words brackets figures and letters, and unless unspent amount relates to any ongoing project referred in subsection 6, transfer such unspent amount to a fund of schedule 7 within a period of expiry of 6 months of the end of the financial year shall be inserted. But I think this is also already we had covered in our notes somehow, isn't it? I don't know why, but this is all deja vu for me. Deja vu means we've already covered this, right? No, Abhishek, no. Okay, bachcho. So here what will happen? Now whatever is unspent amount, I'll tell you in short. Unspent amount will go where? Tell me, bachcho. We had covered this in our regular lecture also. Unspent amount is sent to a schedule 7 fund. Select any schedule 7 fund. Are you understanding or no? Transfer. But within how much time? Within end of 6 months. Within 6 months of end of the financial year. Within 6 months of end of financial year. Are you getting this point or no? Correct, everybody? But that unspent amount should belong to not an ongoing project. Yes, everybody? not an ongoing project. What was ongoing project? Any example you can give me if you remember? Do you want me to tell you this properly again? Do you want me to explain you? Tell me this. Everybody tell me. Suppose you are supposed to spend rupees 100 in financial year 2021. Okay, your if you're supposed to spend rupees 100 in financial year 2021. Alright, everybody, this is your expenditure. I hope you understand. This is already I'm saying this is 2%. Okay, if you spend, let us say, if you spend rupees 90, what happened? Did you comply with the law? No, you did not comply with the law. Okay, so unspent is how much? Rupees 10. Yes or no? Now you should have spent obviously on schedule 7 activities, no? Activities of schedule 7 CSR. So what will you do? Up to 31st March 2021. See, you were supposed to spend in 2021 rupees 100. So you spent as on 31st March 2021 only rupees 90. So unspent. So within 6 months, that means what? By 30th September 21, you should transfer this fund. You should transfer this amount to a Schedule 7 fund. Do you remember Schedule 7 fund? The latest one added in Schedule 7 fund was PM Cares Fund. Right? Then you have Ganga Clean Fund, then Swachh Bharat Kosh, Clean Ganga. Right? You have those funds over there. National Relief Fund, etc. It should be transferred by 30th, let us say September 2021. Clear? But that amount, rupees 10, if you remember, guys, I don't know how much you remember. It should belong to a non-ongoing fund, non-ongoing activity. There is something known as ongoing project. Ongoing project, for example, if I told you building of a school or hospital, it will take 2-3 years minimum, let us say. I'm giving you example. Okay? In that case, you cannot spend entire amount in the one single year itself, isn't it? So if it belongs to an ongoing project, so you're transferring it to next year. So you can spend it over there. You can transfer it to another year. That was, I think, in totality 3 years were allowed, if you remember. Yeah? But that is for ongoing projects. So pay attention. If you have not spent fully, you can carry it forward to the next year only and only if it is an ongoing project. But if it is a one-time project, one small activity, and you could not spend over there, then within 6 months, you should transfer to a Schedule 7 fund. Do you remember or no? ऑल ऑफ यू गॉट इट क्लियर? बताओ मुझको, समझा कि नहीं, या बाउंसर गया? Unless the unspent amount relates to ongoing project. See, if the unspent amount belongs to ongoing project, then you can carry it forward to second year, third year. Keep it with you. Keep it with you. Understood or no? But if that unspent amount doesn't belong to ongoing project, तो आपको Schedule 7 के फंड में डालना पड़ेगा. You should transfer it to a Schedule 7 fund. Schedule 7 fund within 6 months. Clear, everybody? We had discussed this in our regular class, बच्चों. We had. Okay? बढ़े आगे. But I'll say unspent amount. Not ongoing project. Okay? Not ongoing project. Clear है ना? Yes, all of you? Done? चलो, इंसर्टेड, भगवान भगवान भगवान, it is so better that we are doing amendments very quickly. That is much better बच्चों, much better, है ना. After subsection 5, following subsection shall be inserted. Yeah, all of you. चलिए हम लोग करें. Any amount remaining unspent, चलेगा. फिर से same thing. Any amount remaining unspent under subsection 5. Okay. Pursuant to an ongoing project. बच्चों, we have done this if you remember, but it was not matching with your ICS study model. That's why I think you would have skipped. Pursuant to an ongoing project. Now understand this. मतलब क्या? Are you understanding the difference between first point and second point? Let us say my 2% comes to rupees 100 and I'm going to build an hospital. Okay, I have to spend, this 2% of rupees 100 is coming for the year 2021. For the year 2021. Okay. In 2021, I spent, let us say, rupees 80 for the hospital, obviously. Unspent belonging to financial year 2021. We are discussing only one financial year's amount right now. Okay. Unspent is rupees, let us say, 20. But the amount which I have, not 20, amount which I have to spend, it is for an ongoing project, yes or no? It is for an ongoing project. Okay. All of you. So will I transfer this 20 rupees in schedule 7 fund? Tell me this, everybody. Will I transfer this 20 rupees in schedule 7 fund? Or will I carry it forward? Tell me your answers बच्चों, come on. सब लोग बताओ जल्दी यार, जल्दी बताओ, come on. Everybody, मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों, जल्दी बताओ. We will not transfer to schedule 7 fund. That money we will keep with us only. हाँ या ना, बराबर है. चेक करो. So pursuant to any ongoing project. See, pay attention बच्चों. अगर कोई पैसा is unspent, if any money is unspent, but that unspent part is because of ongoing project. When I say ongoing, मतलब it is a lengthy project. It cannot be done in 6 months, 8 months or 1 year. Very good, चिरंतन. अच्छा, fulfilling such condition as may be prescribed. So कुछ ना कुछ बच्चों कंडीशन बताई गई है. Okay. Undertaken by a company in pursuance of its CSR policy shall be transferred by the company within a period of 30 days from the end of the financial year, but to a special bank account kept with them, known as UCSRA, na? Unspent CSR account. Remember, this we have done in our regular lectures. ये amendment नहीं actually, but they had not put actually in the notes maybe. आगे बढ़े हम लोग. But keep this in mind, within 30 days from the end of the financial year. That means you did not spend it बच्चों by, pay attention, 31st March 21 तक you spent 80 rupees. So as on 31st March 21 you still have 20 rupees balance. Pay attention, what will you do? By 30th April 2021 you will transfer this 20 rupees to unspent CSR account. Obviously this account is with the company only बच्चों, है ना? याद आ रहा है कुछ? समझे कि नहीं समझे? तो कुछ याद आ रहा है, मतलब we have covered this or not? Tell me. Anyways, to a special bank account, ठीक है, opened by the company in that behalf of that for that financial year in any scheduled bank. इसके ऊपर भी क्वेश्चन आता है, कोई scheduled bank only, not any other bank, called as unspent corporate social responsibility account. and such amount, pay attention, shall be spent by the company in pursuance of that obligation towards CSR within a period of 3 financial years from the date of such transfer. मतलब this 20 rupees example I gave you, from the date of this transfer example I'm giving you, you have now 3 years available with you, है ना? Within a period of 3 financial years from the date of such transfer. तो spend within 3 FY. और अगर तब तक भी नहीं हुआ, then you transfer to schedule 7 fund. कुछ समझे कि नहीं? So can I say in totality ongoing project means total 4 years? Can I say that? First year तुमको मिला 2021. In that you should have spent. You could not spend in 2021. Now next you are getting more 3 financial years. Yes or no? But keep this in mind, 3 financial years from the date of transfer to UCSRA. Okay? Failing which now means what? If you could not spend in those 3 years also, you did not spend in these 3 years also fully. Now whatever is remaining, मान लो बच्चों, I'll just give you example. So 21 na, so 22, 23, 24. Okay, let us say by 30th April 2024 is 3 financial years. Let us say by that you spent rupees 15 spent. Chalega? Pay attention. From this 20 rupees, rupees 15 spent by 30th April 24. 2, 3, 4. Now rupees 5 is remaining still unspent. I hope you remember this rupees 5 is coming from which year? It is coming from starting year 2021. Okay? वहाँ से आ रहा है ना ये? This 5 rupees belong to the rupees 100. Yeah. Now that बच्चों, you'll have to transfer to schedule 7 fund. Check. Now within a period of 30 days from the date of completion of 3rd financial year. मतलब यहां पे तुम्हारा जो तीसरा फाइनेंशियल ईयर खत्म हो रहा है, this 5 rupees will be sent to schedule 7 fund, let us say by 31st May 2024. Expect MCQ, मतलब anything can happen here. It's a great case for case study based questions, case scenario based question. Keep in mind 3 years starts from 3 financial year from the date of transfer to UCSRA, है ना? डन और नो बताओ मुझको. एवरीबॉडी टेल मी, हुआ? वी विल डू टिल ईयर बच्चों. एज इट इज तुम्हारा नया सेक्शन चालू हो जाएगा फिर. आई थिंक सूरज चला गया क्या? बहुत लोग चले गए. अगर विद इन 30 डेज फ्रॉम एंड ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल वो 5 रुपये भी यूज़ हुआ, नहीं गया, टाइम पीरियड गया अभिषेक. टाइम पीरियड वो स्टिल 30th April 24. उसके आगे अनस्पेंट है तो कंपल्सरीली भेजना पड़ेगा शेड्यूल 7 फंड. एनीबडी एनी डाउट प्लीज आस्क मी टिल नाउ. Otherwise you can obviously rewatch the lecture. Okay, मतलब done everybody. आगे, if any company contravenes the provisions, you can write down this example also in a notebook later on. Okay, it is an ongoing project. And this is your 135.6. Arey, I used to have green color. I lost it in a bus actually last year. 135.6 last year or last year I think. 135.6 है बच्चों, ठीक है. 135.6 is unspent amount but for ongoing project, keep in mind. Okay, and 135.5 we saw, है ना, 135.5 we saw is for what? That clause number 2. That is okay for not for ongoing project, that is schedule 7 में वो जाएगा directly. Okay everybody. Done. चलो. If a company contravenes the provisions of 5 or 6, that means they do not transfer to schedule 7. Okay, that parts are not done. The company shall be punishable with fine minimum 50,000, but which may go to 25 lakh rupees. And OID, is it there in our notes or no? Tell me. Any provisions for that transfer to schedule 7? Nothing given, penalties, etc. Nothing given. Okay. So 138, please keep that in mind. Where are we? 135, 6. So I'm writing here plus 135, 6, है ना? And plus 135, now 7. 135, 7 will come into picture when you have not followed. When you have not followed 135, 5 or 6, okay? Or 135, 6. 4, 1. But not this one, no. It is a separate section now, specifically given only for 135, 6 and 7. For that we have given 135, 7. Okay everybody, ready? So I'll just write down quickly here also. 135, I'll write down here. 135, 7. On company, how much? 50,000 to 25 lakhs. Okay everybody, and obviously it is and not or. For OID, officer in default, imprisonment, Bhagwan, 3 years. Now here you have or, and it will be and or, okay, obviously. Fine, kitna? 50,000 to 5 lakhs. So it will be and or, that much you understand, no? Both fine, or you can say with penalties also. Fine or imprisonment also. Done till here everybody, tell me. Page 9.36, you can put this. And please share the video with all of your friends. Tell them there are too many amendments. Be careful. And make the changes in the ICS study material there itself. Alright? This is not something which you can read and do it very easy on your own so quickly, easily. Okay? Especially those students who might